how to stop Roblox from crashing. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix your Roblox game from crashing. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is check whether or not your internet is working. If it is, good. If it isn't, make sure you turn off your router, turn off your Wi-Fi, and check all the cables if it's working or not. Then if that doesn't fix it, all you can do is just simply go into Task Manager and find a file that is linked to Roblox. If it is over here, if it is open, close that as well. And if that isn't it, then what you can do is to come into settings, go into your apps, and then find Roblox app. And over here, you will find it right here. What you can do is just simply click over here and uninstall it, and then reinstall it, and that should fix the problem. Usually that is the only occurrences, is that sometimes programs get viruses or maybe a file is missing or two. So that's why you need to reinstall them, and that should be able to fix your problem. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.